2 days ago, OpenAI introduced Sora, their new text-to-video AI model. Can you believe this video is generated by AI? Compare it with an AI video generated 1 year ago. I have to say, everything just changed so fast. In this video, I'd like to dive deep into what Sora can do in video generation and discuss what impact Sora has on people's jobs. The first thing Sora can do is using a prompt to generate a video up to 60 seconds, 1080p quality. Incredible fluency and details. It's really hard to tell if it's real. Image to video. Sora is capable of generating videos based on DALL-E 2 and DALL-E 3 images. Animate illustration. Sora can turn illustrations into a vivid animation, saving time for designers and animators. Text generation. If you want it to spell some words, it can give the accurate words you want in video. Extending generated videos. Sora is capable of extending videos either forward or backward in time to produce a seamless infinite loop. Video to video. Sora can change the style and environment of input videos to a new one. Connecting videos. Making two completely independent videos connected into one with seamless transitions and scene compositions. Generate different viewpoints of a scene. All the videos are happening in the scene simultaneously and consistently. Image generation. Generate images up to 2K resolution. There are already many software can do this in higher resolution. I have made another video on top free AI image generators in my channel. Feel free to watch the video if you are interested. Simulation capabilities. Using Sora to generate some physical simulation is easier than traditional softwares to do the simulation. It can create dynamic camera motion, like shifts and rotates through 3D environments, and keep the object consistent. Interacting with the world or simulating digital worlds, such as controlling the player in Minecraft. What's more, it's possible to turn the generated videos into 3D scene. Making visual effects can be much easier in the future. However, in some simulations, Sora also makes mistakes, and it only supports up to 1080p resolution. If you want a 2K or 4K video, you might need to add other AI video enhancer tools into the workflow. Check out my other videos on how to upscale low-quality video to 4K in my channel if you are interested. Link will also be put in the description. How to use it. For now, Sora isn't publicly open yet. It is only open to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers. You may also bring your prompt and mention Sam Altman on Twitter. There is a chance to receive a generated video reply. Who will be affected? In my opinion, traditional film, television, and advertising industry will be affected. Visual effects has been a very time-consuming and expensive work for years. But now with AI technology, the time and money to make a movie can be 1/10 of what it used to be. Besides that, short video industry will be affected. If Sora really comes out, a lot of AI videos will flood into TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other platforms. A good thing about this is ordinary people can use it to express their creative ideas. But too many AI videos can also cause chaos on the internet without good regulations. Fake news and rumors need to be well identified. Though Sora is really like a bomb for many people, it's still in the early stage. I do hope we can embrace the change, despite the anxiety, use AI to make life better. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more latest AI tools and updates. Leave your comments below and I'd be happy to read them. Thanks for watching.